Hello, welcome to 日子 Machinery. Today we will demonstrate the great usefulness of the easy page in some common production situation. An urgent job comes along when one part must be bent. The production must be interrupted and a second operator can quickly program a particular bend on the easy bend page. The easy bend page contains basically the same fields as the normal program page. And with the normal program, the first parameter to define is the material. Let's touch it. This sends us to the more page where we can define a number of extra parameters where just the program was needed. That's the material thickness and bending width, and the tool selected on the easy bend page are those used in the current program. Ideally, the urgent bend can be made with those. If not, the tool can of course be selected here. The next step is to enter the bend we need to make, in our case, a 120-degree bend on 240 mm along flange. Pressing the start button, we then press the backgauge into the position where the machine is ready. The button switch is OK. The second operator can just press the foot pedal to execute his urgent part. Once the bend is done, the first operator only needs to select the current program to resume the production from where it was interrupted. Thank you for watching it.